Hey guys, welcome back to your channel. Kai here from Tic-Tac-Toe. Today I want to share with all of you how you can install Google Suite apps or any Android apps right on your Huawei devices. That's right, with this method, you can enjoy apps like your Google Drive, your Google Sheets, your Google Docs, and most importantly, YouTube, so that you can watch this video on your Huawei devices and at the same time, subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let's just jump straight in. Okay, so first you gotta check the compatibility of your phone. Make sure that your phone is running at least EMUI 10. Alright, and then go into your browser and type in Gbox. So it looks something like this. On the homepage, you can see this free download. Click on it or press on it and then begin your download of this file. Once it has finished downloaded, you can just open it up and begin the installation. Once it has been installed, open up Gbox. You will get this prompt which asks you to disable battery optimization. Go on ahead and disable it. Follow whatever on-screen tutorial that they ask you to read. Just read on and click next. Once you finish the on-screen tutorial, you can now look at the main menu over here where there are lots and lots of apps for you to choose and install. So go ahead and install whatever the heck that you want to install. But first, let's try YouTube, and you will get another prompt which asks you to allow to access media and files on your device. Just click allow. You will then be directed to a very familiar page which is Google Play. This is where you need to sign in using your own Google account to the Google App Store. So just sign in. If your sign-in is successful, then you will get to see this green button over there on the right hand corner which says install, which means you now can install YouTube on a Huawei device. So go on ahead and click to install. And once you finish installing, you can just go up ahead and hit up a video, for example my video, and just to see whether or not it runs well. So for me it's running really well. Alright, and this page, because this is still within Google Play, you can now go ahead and look for apps that you want to install in your Huawei devices, especially your Google Sheets, your Google Drive, so on and so forth, or even Disney Plus. If you want to install any more apps, you can just come back to Gbox, open it up, and you'll see a list of all the apps, recommended apps, especially that you can install right away. Alright, that's it guys. I hope this has been a helpful tutorial for anyone who has a Huawei device and yet still finding a challenge to install any of your Google Sheets or your Google Drive, any Android apps for that matter. So with this tutorial, if you follow it properly, you can get any of your Android apps which are not available in the Huawei App Store available now. So go ahead, follow along, and hope you can get more out of your Huawei devices. Right, so if you do enjoy this video, you know what to do. Hit the like button. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification button to be notified whenever I upload new videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!